In this video, we will discuss a highly profitable 5-minute gold scalping strategy that can help you achieve consistent profits. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type TMA Overlay. After that, simply select the TMA Overlay indicator by RDFX. Next, adjust the settings for the TMA Overlay indicator. In the Input tab, remove all checkmarks and leave only Show Bearish 3-line strike and Show Bullish 3-line strike checked. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all checkmarks and leave only 3-line strike up and 3-line strike down checked. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. This TMA Overlay indicator will serve as a guide for placing entries in the market. If the 3-line strike up signal appears, it is a buy signal. Meanwhile, if the 3-line strike down signal appears, it is a sell signal. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. The scalping strategy we will discuss this time is very powerful and extremely easy to use, even if you are a beginner trader. We will demonstrate how to use this trading strategy on 5-minute gold scalping. However, besides being used for gold scalping or XAUUSD scalping, you can also apply this scalping strategy to other assets such as forex, crypto, and more. So, make sure you have pressed the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be the first to receive our latest updates. Let's continue. Now, add the second indicator that will be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type SSL Hybrid. After that, simply select the SSL Hybrid indicator by Mikkel. Next, adjust the settings for the SSL Hybrid indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the ATR multi-value to 2.5. Then, for SSL1 baseline type, change it to DEMA. Next, also change the SSL baseline length value to 100. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all checkmarks and leave only MA baseline, bar color, and ATR checked. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. This SSL Hybrid indicator will be used as a trend filter in the market. If the candlestick and SSL Hybrid line are navy, this indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus should be finding the best entry points for a buy position. If the candlestick and SSL Hybrid line are red, this indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus should be finding the best entry points for a sell position. Meanwhile, if the candlestick or SSL Hybrid line is gray, it means there is no confirmation in the market. In this situation, we recommend that you do not place any entries in the market. To make this scalping strategy more accurate and powerful, you can add one more indicator that will be used as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type RSI Histo Entry. Then, simply select the RSI Histo Entry indicator by DUIC. Next, adjust the settings for the RSI Histo Entry indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the Use Different Timeframe option to 4 hours. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. To use the RSI Histo Entry indicator, you need to understand its three main components: RSI Histo, RSI MA, plot line. If the bars of RSI Histo, RSI MA, and plot line are green, this confirms an uptrend. If the bars of RSI Histo, RSI MA, and plot line are red, this confirms a downtrend. However, if any of these three elements have a different color, we do not recommend placing an entry in the market. To make things clearer, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If the TMA Overlay indicator gives a buy signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing an entry. Confirm that the SSL Hybrid line indicates a bullish trend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. As the final confirmation, make sure the RSI Histo Entry indicator shows an uptrend confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the end of the ATR line below the price candlestick. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If the TMA Overlay indicator gives a sell signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing an entry. Confirm that the SSL Hybrid line indicates a bearish trend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. As the final confirmation, make sure the RSI Histo Entry indicator shows a downtrend confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the end of the ATR line above the price candlestick. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your own money management, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.